Welcome to Powerviz. Have you ever seen a visual in Power BI that makes you go wow? Well, you're looking at one right now. This sleek Bugatti car might look like it was made in a design tool, but it's actually built entirely within Power BI using the KPI visual by Powerviz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a visual like this using three powerful layering features: a shape layer for the stylish background, an image layer to make the car pop out dramatically, and an advanced text layer to bring out all the key performance stats with dynamic formatting. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build visuals that not only tell a story but also turn heads. Let's dive in. Let's start by adding in the KPI visual into our report page, and then let's bring in all the required fields into this particular visual. Let's go to the data tab. I'm going to bring in the BHP, car, cylinders, top speed, and the binary image as well. So these are all the fields that will be used to create our visual, and then I'm going to also bring in the picture here into the value section so that we can start building the visual. Let's click on create. And the first thing that I will be doing here is to add a shape. Let's add a background here. I'm going to select the rounded rectangle here, and then let's choose individual corners, and then I can decide how my corners need to look. So my top left corner needs to be 5 radius, and my top right corner I'm looking at about 30 radius, and my rest of the corners here I need about 5 radius. Under color palette, let's choose gradient. I have the hex code for the minimum, middle, and the maximum values here. I'm going to apply them. Once I've entered the values for the gradient, I can choose the direction here for the gradient. I can click on apply and then choose from different options that are available here. Let's quickly resize this particular shape here. Let me increase the size a little. And now my background shape is ready. Let's start by adding in our image. So I'm going to click on the image layer. I have three different options here to choose from. I have the data option where I can choose the binary image column that I have, or you can upload the image directly, or you can also enter a URL here. I'm going to choose the data option here. From my select column here, I'm going to choose the binary image that I have added and then click on apply. Now let's increase the size of this particular car here and then place it just like this. And now you can see that our car is popping out, and you can see how easy it is to manage all of this here within the KPI visual, because the native visuals don't offer this kind of functionality. Now let's add an advanced text layer to display all the key stats of this particular car. Let's go to the advanced text layer. In the first line, I would like to display the car name. So let's click on value button here. From the field type, I can choose category. And from the category here, I have the car field that I've added into my visual. Aggregation is going to be first, and then click on apply. You now have the car name being dynamically displayed on this particular layer. And let's go to the next line. Let's click on these bullet points here and then start adding in different stats that are available. Let's click on value button again. From the field type, let me choose category. And from the category, this time I'm going to choose BHP and then click on apply. I now have the BHP information being displayed here, and I can simply type in BHP. And let's change the text here to italics instead of bold. And let's go to the next line and add in some more information here from the field type category. This time I'm going to add the number of cylinders. Click on apply. This has 16 cylinders, so I'm going to type in cylinders here. Simply select the text. I don't want this to be bold, but I want this to be italics. I can change the formatting right from here. And then let's go to the next line. Click on value button again, choose category, and this time I'm going to choose the cars top speed and then click on apply. So this is my top speed. I can simply now type in top speed here, select the text and make this italic and then click on apply. So you can see that my text layer is now added. Let's select the entire text layer here and change the color to white so that this is readable. Let's click on apply, and now I have my white text layer added here. Let's move this text layer to right here and let's increase the size. Let's go back into edit layer and let's select the car name here. I want this to be center aligned, so I'm going to do that. Click on apply, and now my car name is center aligned. Let me quickly reduce the size of the shape that I have in the background. I can now add a slicer and change the information and the image dynamically simply using this slicer. And when I select Toyota Supra here, you will see the car image and the details changing dynamically based on the selection that you make from a slicer. And just like that, you've transformed a blank canvas into a stunning interactive visual in Power BI using the KPI visual by Powerviz. If you want to create powerful visuals like this in your Power BI reports, you can try the KPI visual for free for 30 days. Download it from our website or directly from Microsoft App Stores. Links are in the description below.